the greatest thing about it all is just like ask somebody questions if you don't know the answers, look up more research so that you feel more comfortable doing it going forward. Like, there are just so many resources out in the world that for me, like, there is no reason why you should not be investing in real estate. Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I actually just kind of wanted to talk about some of the thoughts that I've had. It kind of goes towards, I guess, the saying like, not everything is greener on the other side. But what do I mean by that, right? Because that can just mean so many things. This whole thought came to me because living in the UK means that majority of the meetups, meetings, everything, conferences that I go to are all at night, right? And for the longest time I was like, oh, I want my nights back. Wouldn't that be cool? Like, I'd love to go to meetups during the day. That would just be fantastic. And I was wrong. Because, like, I have been back to the States now for work, just like in Tulsa, checking up on the properties, meeting with brokers and everything, doing work on the property, all of the above, which could include painting or cleaning gutters, you never know with me. But when I was there, right in October, I was there for like almost a month. In February, again, almost a month. And when I'm back and I have the opportunity, right, like, oh my gosh, I can go to meetups in the afternoon and at night. How exciting is this going to be? And I found myself never going to meetups in the afternoon. This whole time, right, back in the UK, I'm like, I can't wait for afternoon meetings. It just didn't happen for me. Like, the meeting would come and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I have so much to do still. Like, my green zone, right, when my brain is like, is like in the morning and into the early afternoon, mid-afternoon. And so, like, when I was in those really creative moments of thought, or just like in the middle of a project, or just wanting to do something, right? Because I have all this energy. I just thought to myself, like, I don't actually want to go to a meetup at this time, right? Like, for me, meetups are chill. Like, yes, I go in with intention, but like, I know what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about myself. Like, I'm going to ask what other people need. Like, I can think about those things when I'm a little more tired or not in my green zone. But when I'm in my green zone, I'm just like, go, 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 go. But, right? Like, so what's the point? What's the point of this whole video? And the whole point of this video is, like, I don't want you all not getting into a real estate investment because you think that, like, there's something better somewhere else, right? Like, you think that there's something that will, like, help you faster, or that real estate is way too risky, right? Because, like, this whole entire time I thought I wanted something, and when I got there, like, it's not what I thought I was. And now I'm really thankful for all of, like, the efforts that I put in to go to those night meetings. Now I'm really thankful that even when I'm back stateside, like, I can go to evening meetings again. But just, like, don't dislike or dwell on something for too long until you've actually experienced it. Like, that's the biggest part, right? Is, like, I created this thought, feeling, idea of what being at meetups in the afternoon would be like for me, and they don't work, right? So, like, until you've tried it, I just don't want you to create, like, a bad feeling about something. And, like, please don't go extreme, right? I'm not asking you to bungee jump without a rope, like, by any means. But, like, try something. Like, put your toes in a dip. Put your toes in the water. I don't know the saying, but hopefully you get what I mean, right? So just, like, I love that we all like to kind of try something new, test the waters a little bit, but, like, the greatest thing about it all is just, like, ask somebody questions if you don't know the answers, look up more research so that you feel more comfortable doing it going forward. Like, there are just so many resources out in the world that for me, like, there is no reason why you should not be investing in real estate. I think that's what it all comes down to, right? Like, so many people are just hesitant because real estate is new. It's not something they know. And so they've created this idea or this feeling around it. But I promise you will be excited. Just like how excited I am about evening meetups now. I love them. Right? I mean, everybody loves different things. Everybody's risk profile is different. I totally get it. But for me, like, at the core, it's just like trying something new, right? Like doing something you're a little bit uncomfortable with, just like stepping outside of your box, doing something different than the others around you, because the results will get you to places you never thought you could be. But I promise you'll get there, and you deserve it, right? So I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please smash that like button. I'd appreciate you. And I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe so that you don't miss any more of our videos. And I hope to see you soon. So until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits. Woo!